Hello, welcome to Programming in Scratch, a basic guide, video 2. In this video we're going to further develop our Scratch programming by learning how to add events and basic loops to our Scratch programs. We are also introducing another 6 important key terms that will allow us to describe what we are doing more easily, both in Scratch and in information technology generally. Let's get started by defining our 6 important key terms. We start with the word program. Imagine you have a big box of Lego bricks. A program is like the instructions you follow to build something amazing with those bricks. In Scratch, a program is a set of blocks that you snap together to make your characters do things, like dance or tell a story. Just like you need a plan to build a Lego castle, you need a program to tell the computer what to do. Next, the word instruction. Think of an instruction as a single step in a recipe. If you're making a cake, one instruction might be to crack an egg into a bowl. In Scratch, an instruction is one block that tells your character to do something specific, like move 10 steps or say hello. Each instruction is a small part of the bigger program, just like each step in a recipe helps you make a delicious cake. Now, let's talk about the word code. Code is like a secret language that you use to talk to computers. It's made up of lots of instructions that tell the computer what to do. In Scratch, the code is the collection of all the blocks you put together to make your program. It's like writing a story, but instead of using words, you use blocks of code to make your characters come to life and do things. Our 4th term is event. An event is something that happens and makes your program do something. Imagine you're playing a game and you press the spacebar to make your character jump. Pressing the spacebar is an event. In Scratch, events are things like clicking the green flag to start your program or pressing a key to make something happen. Events are the triggers that set your program in motion. Finally, let's look at the sequence and iteration. A sequence is the order in which instructions happen. It's like following the steps in a dance routine. In Scratch, you put blocks in a sequence to make sure your character does things in the right order. Iteration is a posh word for doing something over and over again. It's like practicing a dance move until you get it right. In Scratch, you use loops to repeat instructions, like making your character spin around again and again. Sequences and iterations help make your programs work smoothly and do amazing things. Last time, we made our cat sprite say hello and my name is Kitty for 2 seconds. Today we are going to get Kitty to repeat these messages over and over again. This is called a loop. A loop is like a circle that never ends. So, instead of saying hello my name is Kitty just once, our cat will keep saying it again and again. Let's dive in and see how we can do this. Alright, to make our cat repeat the messages, we need to use a special block called the forever loop block. This loop block makes things happen over and over again. First, find the forever loop block in the control section of your Scratch program. Then, drag it to your coding area. Now, take the blocks that make the cat say hello and my name is Kitty, put them inside the forever loop block. Now, when you click the green flag, the cat will keep saying hello, my name is Kitty forever. Isn't that amazing? But wait, there's more. We can make our cat even more interactive by making it say hello and my name is Kitty when we press the arrow keys. This means that every time you press an arrow key, the cat will say one of the phrases. To do this, we need to use the when key pressed block. You can find this block in the events section. Drag the when up arrow key pressed block to your coding area. Then, attach the block that makes the cat say hello to it. Now, when you press the up arrow key, the cat will say hello. Let's add another arrow key trigger for the phrase my name is Kitty. Just like before, find the when key pressed block in the events section. This time, drag the when down arrow key pressed block to your coding area. Attach the block that makes the cat say my name is Kitty to it. Now, when you press the down arrow key, the cat will say my name is Kitty. You can try pressing the up and down arrow keys to see the cat say both phrases. It's like you're controlling what the cat says with your keyboard. Well done. You've just learnt how to make your cat sprite repeat messages in a loop and respond to arrow key presses. Now, you can make your Scratch projects even more fun and interactive. You can try adding more phrases and using different keys to trigger them. Wait, there is still more. We are going to make the cat change its costume when you press the left arrow key. Then, we'll make the cat meow when you press the right arrow key. Let's start with changing the cat's costume. In Scratch, a costume is like a different outfit for your sprite. First, click on the cat sprite to select it. Then, go to the Costumes tab at the top. You'll see that the cat already has a few different costumes. Now, we need to write some code to make the cat change its costume when the left arrow key is pressed. Go to the Events category and drag the When left arrow key pressed block into the coding area. Next, go to the Looks category and drag the next costume block and snap it under the When left arrow key pressed block. Now, every time you press the left arrow key, the cat will change its costume. To make the animation look smoother, we can add a little wait time between costume changes. This will make it look like the cat is really moving. Go to the Control category and drag the Wait 1 seconds block into the coding area. Change the 1 to 0.1. The wait time is shorter. Snap this block between the When left arrow key pressed block and the next costume block. Now, when you press the left arrow key, the cat will change its costume with a short pause in between, making the animation look much better. Next, let's make the cat meow when you press the right arrow key. Go to the Events category and drag the When right arrow key pressed block into the coding area. Then, go to the Sound category and drag the Play sound, meow, until done block and snap it under the When right arrow key pressed block. Now, every time you press the right arrow key, the cat will meow. You can even record your own sound if you want to make it more personalized. Now that we've added all the code, it's time to test it out. Click the green flag to start your project. Press the left arrow key and watch the cat change its costume with a little pause in between. Then, press the right arrow key and listen to the cat meow. Isn't that cool? You can try adding more costumes or sounds to make your project even more exciting. And that's it. We have made our second Scratch program and learned yet more important terms in information technology. Now it's up to you. We've provided some ideas on how to extend your program. If you enjoyed our content, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe as it really helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.